Namaskar beauties. Welcome to my vlog. It's been a long time that I've done the vlog. So today's vlog is going to be how can I take this beautiful kurti and style it in different ways. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first look where I'm trying to go with an Indo-Western look. So I paired it with a belt, brown belt, because this is yellow, and whatever color you girls have picked, you girls can do a contrast of that. And I paired it with a scarf because some of you are not comfortable to wear a kurti as is. So that's why I paired it with a scarf, a belt, and I matched my shoes, so that gives that Indo-Western look, and I paired it with the brown earrings. So this is going to be the first look. Let's get to the second look. This is the second look where I paired it with the black leggings and I paired it with jutiyas. I paired it with a dupatta to give it like that like a regular look, like a temple kind of a look, and I paired it with heavy jewelry like the jhumkas and a necklace to match this whole black thing that's going on. And then you can, this is like a normal wear that we all wear, so you can wear this look for a temple or like a friends get together. So let's go to the third look. So here's the third look where I paired it with a skirt to make it look like a top, and I have added like a gold color belt, and I paired it with like a flower earrings and yellow shoes, and this looks like a go out like a party, a summer party kind of a look. It's very peppy and no one would know that this is a kurti, but like the elegance of the false mirror adds elegance to the dress. So I hope you like this this look. Let's go to the fourth look. So this is the fourth and the final look, and as I told you guys before, most of us are buying saris, but we do not have the blouses, so you can convert this beautiful kurti into a blouse. So what I did, I matched it with a yellow sari because this is a yellow blouse. You can do a contrast as well, like a red or a green, but I did this because it had that like that pattu kind of a look, and I paired it with like a choker, and this gives like a very elegant look, and it has a matching earrings, so you can pair it with bangles and nobody would even know that this is like a kurti. So you can convert this kurti in a blouse as well. So these are all the four looks. I hope you girls like one of the looks, and I'm sure most of you girls have ordered the same kurti from me. I hope you girls create the same look, and I'm trying to get more of these kurtis. So not only this one, any kurti that you girls have which has a similar kind of look, you girls can try any of these four looks. And I hope, please give me a like, and please let me know which look you girls like the most. And that's it for today. Let's meet on Friday and have fun as we all have. So love you girls. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. And please like it and let me know which look do you girls like the most. Okay. Bye bye.